I got the Monsters Collector's Edition, 8 original classic films, and then that's what's inside the box. And this is the box itself. You get that disc on it. You get that, and then it opens up into Dracula there. Right. Just give me a minute, guys. Also, you get these collectible art cards with it. Comes with all the films from Universal. You get this card telling you about all the films, and then you get this. I'm not going to show you all of it, I'll just show you bits of it. Right. This is a book, The Invisible Man, Mummy, and then you get like these production posters, and then this is like Dracula. And what I thought was funny about Dracula is how Bela Lugosi got the version of it. I read to regards Lo Chan was originally considered for the role of Dracula, but when he died before production began, the role went to Bela Lugosi. So yeah, look, here it is. So yeah, and then the shot of the original Universal's logo at the back there. So yeah, perfect. Right. Hold on a minute, guys. Hold on a minute. I also got Ben-Hur. Me and my mum love this film, so does my whole family. This comes with, this is the 3-disc remastered special edition. On this edition, you get the silent version of it, and you get absolutely loads of documentaries. Absolutely amazing film. Even my mum agrees with me. I got The Emperor of the Sun, based on true events. Really good film. I got Mahatma Gandhi. Whatever people say about this film, yeah, it's a brilliant film. I don't care what people think. Like my mum taught me, don't listen to what others say. And then I got Lawrence of Arabia. This is like the 50th anniversary of it, and it is, where is it now? It's been restored with the 4K resolution, so really good film. I got All Quiet on the Western Front digibook. Look at this. I'll just show you what I'm saying. Alright, wait a minute, come here. Right, this is the digibook of it. Let's get some colours here now. Right, All Quiet on Western Front, and then this is what comes with the All Quiet on the Western Front. It's 2 Academy Awards. Yeah, brilliant film. Well, if I had to pick a film out of all of my films I've had, it would be the Monsters set. But out of the Monsters set, I would have got. I'd gone for the Bela Lugosi version of Dracula, because that's amazing, because it's been restored. And just give me 2 minutes. Just want to put these back in the box. I just thought, because it's been me, I'll show you the art cards. Best picture out of all of them, even my mum agrees with that. That's the Bela Lugosi version of Dracula. Creature from the Black Lagoon. Frankenstein. The Bride of Frankenstein. The Invisible Man. The Mummy. The Wolfman. And Phantom of the Opera. Anyway, that's what I got for my birthday. My birthday tomorrow, so I will be doing a new video tomorrow. Also got a new television. Bye bye. Bye.